Dear Cheri, how do I make cannabis oil for topical use as opposed to edibles use? Thank you. Okay, well, that's going to be a quick question to answer, more or less. It's the same way. Before I get to the longer answer, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And hit that like button, too, if you get value out of my videos, because it helps us be seen in YouTube's algorithm. Also, if you like my I Heart Weed shirt, that's available on my website, cannabischeri.com. I'll put a link in the comments below. We have this design and lots of other fun cannabis-themed designs. Okay, back to the question, how to make cannabis oil for topical use. It's exactly the same way that you would make cannabis oil for edibles use. All you're doing is infusing an oil and then using that oil to make whatever topicals you want to make. Now, I have a DIY topicals course that will show you how to make lots of different kind of topicals, from pain relieving salves to bath bombs to lip balms to wrinkle serum, lots of different topicals. I'll put a link to that in the comments below, along with a coupon code if you want to learn more about making topicals. I'll also put a link to a free tutorial on how to make cannabis body butter that will use an infused oil. But the process of infusing that oil is exactly the same. You can use the mason jar method, you can use a slow cooker, you can use gadgets like the Ardent FX or the pot binoids. I'll put links to those and coupon codes below as well. Whatever your favorite method of infusing oil. Now, the type of oil you use might change. And maybe not either, because a lot of edible oils also make great topicals. Like coconut oil is my favorite go-to. Olive oil can work. But there's also a lot of specialty carrier oils that have different properties that make them uniquely good for certain people or certain kinds of topicals. That's a big topic, and we go into that in my online course. But as far as just the process of infusing oil for topicals, exactly the same as cooking. And even if you have cooking oil, you can use that topically. You know, like if you're greasing a pan, and don't just wash it away, rub that into your skin and use every bit of your cannabis. Hope this helps. See you all next time.